it all cleared up.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Willkommen zurück. Ich muss da ein bisschen komisch schneiden, aber der betrunkene Affe ist gerade zurückgeflogen. Der hat die Märchenbücher gebracht. Und wir müssen jetzt nachschauen, wer die Frau war, die der Kopf abgeschnitten worden ist. Alright. Gehen wir bestimmt den Namen herausfinden. Also ich hoffe es, einmal so läuft es. Jetzt sehen wir mal nichts mehr so rundum. Was ist da?
We'll start with these. Any information on fables in our community will be somewhere in these books.
Alright, Big B.
Me.
I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be me.
Ah, das ist gleich. Hä? Haben sie das einfach gemixt? Oh wow, sehen die böse aus, hä?
Yeah, dwarves. The less said about that, the better.
Aber dann wohl haben sie da gemixt und das Schneewittli ist auch da rosarot, ihre Schwester ist gleich.
The woodsman?
Yep, and his axe.
Mein Buddy, der hat echt einen grossen Bart bekommen.
Yeah, the two of them. I wonder what the story was.
Weiß gar nicht, was er meint.
Beauty in happier days. And her man, Beast.
Beast.
Funny.
Da ist der Colin.
Colin and his brothers.
Yep. Wer ist das? Der King Cole.
I've seen this before. This symbol on the man's clothes, it's the same as the rings.
Could be her father
Alright.
or husband. This has most of the emblems of the old days and usually what family they come from. If it's in here, we'll have her name.
Okay. Aber ist das gesehen? Im Moment hat es jetzt auch nicht noch etwas gehabt. Siehst du?
Haven't
Dax.
seen Badger around for a while.
He likes his privacy, I think.
Wish Toad would like his.
Und da ist noch der Toad, hä?
Nice.
Ah, schau, da ist der andere wieder.
Ichabod Crane. Scared shitless.
What's that?
Your boss. His finest moment. Hard to understand how he ended up running this place.
Also er hat mit dem...
Well, maybe it's time that changed.
Er hat einfach da die Geschichte mit dem kopflosen Reiter gehabt, aber die habe ich nie wirklich gekannt, ehrlich gesagt. Die ist, glaube ich, in Europa nicht so populär gewesen. Ah, was erzähle ich da? Also ich meine, dort, wo Disney-Filme rausgekommen sind, halt. In dem Fall ist sie in Amerika nicht populär gewesen, weil die Gebrüder Grimm sind aus Deutschland gewesen. Ey, ich habe keine Ahnung, Leute. Wahrscheinlich erzähle ich riesen Bullshit.
Tarot cards. Jack brought them back from Appalachia.
Appalachia.
Who knows where they were before then? Or what he did to get them.
Dann muss man mit, oder? Was meinst du?
Strength. I guess it comes in all forms.
Okay. Also warte, ich muss ein anderes Buch anschauen, sorry. Ach, ich kann schnell laufen mit Schiff, schön. Okay. Was haben wir da? Niflheim, Mannerheim.
Great. What? I can't read any of this shit.
I can help.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
We look out for each other.
Don't overdo it. Translate.
An exquisite design from the good china of Toad Hall.
Mr. Toad?
He probably wrote this in himself.
Okay. Nichts Spezielles in dem Fall. Ist das? Nein, das ist nicht gewesen, oder? Das ist der Esel. Ah komm, wir lassen einfach gleich alles, was wir können.
This looks familiar.
Yes, from the Axe of the Woodsman, a druid blessing, actually.
Someone bless that thing.
I only translate.
What's it say about that?
It says bricklebit.
Ah ja, genau. Tischlein dick
What's
dich.
bricklebit?
A magic word.
What's it do?
Makes animals shit gold.
Ja, man. Komm, probier's doch aus. Ah, scheiße.
What's that?
It reads, Mark of the House of the Frog Prince.
Froschkönig.
Quite who I'm looking
Also Froschprinz, aber eben. Ja, ich hätte jetzt gedacht, sie ist so eine... in dem Fall nicht. Ah, da ist der Ring, da ist er.
This is the one. Where's this symbol from? Which family or story?
That's an odd one. Family name? Alairao? I'll go look it up.
Alelaira. That means every kind of fur in German.
Donkey skin.
So ein Seil.
Yes. What does it say?
Oder uralt.
Donkey skin girl, also known as donkey skin, also known as
Skin.
ass skin, prefers to go by the name Faith. Poetic?
Buffkin,
Okay.
we don't need the commentary.
The story of Donkey Skin. There was once a great king with a beautiful queen. The queen grew ill and had her husband promise to only marry the most beautiful girl in the kingdom. After a long search, it became clear that the only woman in the land that could match her beauty was... his daughter, Faith. She had a magic cloak made from the skin of her father's prized donkey that would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom.
Ah,
Eventually, she married a prince who could see past the magic cloak and knew her true beauty.
sorry.
And they lived happily ever after. Should I mark it, Miss Snow?
Yes. Please.
Also irgend so ein Märchen kann ich aber...
And what's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
We got what we came for.
Yeah.
Her name's Faith. She was married to Prince Lawrence. I mean, that's more than
Her
we...
name was Faith.
Yeah.
Faith.
You should
Ich
talk to
kenn's
the
nicht.
husband.
Vielleicht haben sie da ein Märchen erfunden für ihn.
You think he did it?
No, I don't. But we need to let him know about his wife.
Prinz Lawrence. I don't know. Keine Ahnung. Aber jetzt eben zum Spiegel. Lauf schneller, 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 schneller. Das ist doch da gewesen. Ja.
Mirror,
Spiegel,
mirror,
Spiegel.
blah, blah, able, blah, blah, blah about this fable.
Which fable do you wish to know?
Oh, herrlich. Faith.
Show me
Mit
Faith.
Hoffnung, vielleicht ist es nicht
Through
sie.
powerful magic, her whereabouts concealed. Unfortunately for you, these lips are
Oh.
sealed.
What?
These lips are sealed. It's not my choice of phrasing, Bigby. It's simply the way this has to be.
Weiss der etwas,
Show
was
me
läuft? Nein,
Faith's
nicht.
father, the old king.
Oh.
Guess that crosses him off the suspect list.
Prinz
He's
Lawrence.
a prince,
wo
I
ist er?
think. Show me Prince Lawrence.
Oh shit.
What's he been doing? Where is this?
Where's what?
Do you know where Prince Lawrence lives?
If he's a prince, probably relocated in the South Bronx. Yellow building, red window shutters.
Red frames.
Yep, that's the one. I can take us there.
Okay. Shit.
No better right
Ja, gehen wir mal
Anything we
schauen.
can use?
now. Yeah, that'll have to do for now.
Come on. We're going over there. Sorry. I have to get that.
Mach schnell.
Hello, Woodland's business office. Yes, He is. Hold on. Bigby. It's for you.
Wer zur Hölle weiss, dass ich da bin?
Bigby, it's me, Toad.
Hey, Mr.
You
Toad.
there?
Was
What
willst
do
du?
you want?
Bigby, shit. Listen, right, there's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby,
What?
before he... Oh, wait, hang on. Oi, shit. Hey!
Oh shit.
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know. I couldn't really tell. He could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment. Toad might have to wait.
Was
Whenever
sollen wir
you're
zuerst
ready.
machen? Dann gehen wir, aber was wollen wir machen? Zuerst zum Tod oder zuerst zum Apartment, falls die Entscheidung kommt? Er hat zwar gesagt, wir gehen zuerst dort zum Prinz Lawrence, aber ich finde, ich weiß es auch nicht. Ja, er ist ein Gentleman, schau das mal an.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't
Grab it,
seem
innit?
like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Split up,
Well, where to first?
Eben genau, fuck. Gehen wir zum Tod.
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it? What's her
Tod
husband
lebt
saying?
noch, der Prinz Lawrence
Lawrence.
könnte schon tot
Prince
sein.
Lawrence.
Gehen wir Tod, Mann.
Toad sounds like he needs help right now. We can check in on Prince Lawrence after.
Okay.
Vielleicht
I'm not
stirbt er
looking
uns
forward
jetzt
to
weg,
breaking the news
aber
to him anyway.
rennt doch! Oh man, keine Ahnung, eben die Entscheidung ist nämlich schwierig. The Frog or the Prince?
And we ended up going out the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah,
Jetzt haben sie so lange
it's
gehabt.
worse than a day.
Ist eh schon zu spät.
Is somebody up there?
Jupp. Das ist nicht der Tod. Shit.
Wait here.
Ja, ist auch gut, wenn wir uns nicht bemerken, wir machen eigentlich. Achtung, Gesicht.
Shit.
Verpasst, oder was? Achtung, Gesicht.
I'm sorry.
That's enough, all right? Just shut it.
Jetzt ist er unten. Oh, Kinder. Wir werden plagt. Müssen wir jetzt umschauen, oder? Was hat's da sonst noch so?
Should probably get that fixed.
Ja, ja, okay, ist nicht interessant, nur Schlachterei. Toad! Ein Kind vom Toad. Ist alles cool dort? Klopf mal an.
That his son?
Toad's? I think.
Be nice in there, okay?
Ja, probier ich.
Hey, Toad. You in there?
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother?
Wie bitte?
Sorry, Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me.
Wer hat dich
So, you
bezahlt?
know, false alarm.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right? I guess your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
Was weißt du, Toad?
Are you alright?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing.
Ich schau mal um.
Someone was here, and something's going on. Just so this trip wasn't a complete waste of time, I'm gonna look around a bit before we leave, okay? The longer you talk, the longer this takes, so just stand over there and shut
All
up.
right, all right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you
Der
like.
Hut schon immer gehabt.
Phew. Grown-ups. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Okay. Quatschen aus noch.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing.
Wahrscheinlich bringt es eben gleich nichts, wenn wir jetzt umschauen. Was ist da passiert, Alter?
How'd this happen?
Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off the table.
Aha.
The lamp just fell off the table.
Or the boy was faffing about, playing sods and swordfish. Who knows with the lad?
Hä? 2 Stecker und der Lampenstecker. Ein bisschen strange. Was ist das da? Dude! Frisch.
You bleeding?
Why? Is that...
It's blood. Still fresh.
Oh, well, I cut me hand.
Uh-huh.
Ran like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments. Lamp in pieces, blood on the wall. It's awful, I know.
Sounds painful.
Oi, don't you go mother-henning now.
Was ist da
The
passiert?
wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks of being a fable, I suppose. And a frog.
Oh shit. Ich kann besser aufräumen, ey.
There's more blood over here.
On the poker?
Yeah. What happened?
Oh, well, that's how it happened, didn't it? I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing. If you're gonna say something, out with it.
Wait.
Dank deine
You
Hand
dropped
ist
it on your foot? You told me before that you cut your hand.
Yeah, no, I did cut my hand. I cut my hand first, and that made me drop the damn thing on my foot.
Oh man.
Ruinous flip of events, really.
Dude. Was weißt du?
Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you
so
believe
ist
me?
genau geschwungen worden.
I mean, things happen, you know.
Ich denke, du
I think
versteckst
maybe you're
etwas.
hiding something.
Hiding something?
Maybe.
Ja, jemand ist attackiert worden, hätte er
To tell you the
sagen.
truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm
And
not.
you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Das war zwar nur ein ehrlicher Blick, gewesen, aber er hat wahrscheinlich auch Angst. Man. Guter Fluchtweg. Oh, Scratches. Look at this.
What is it now? If it's blood, you know what happened.
No, there's marks here on the windowsill.
Mm-hmm.
And what's that about?
No real reason. Just last night, when I'd come out, I was in a downright tizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this
Wahrscheinlich hat
place.
sich dort jemand festgehalten und ist
And
weggezogen
I had to
worden.
climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared Junior off to death.
Ich glaube gar nicht. Ey. Ah, dort. Nein. What's that?
There's a mark over here, too.
What do you mean?
There's a clean space in the dust over here.
Oh, maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows?
Da ist die Lampe gestanden. Denke ich. Ja, genau.
Bloody hell, Bigby. What sinister bit have you uncovered this time? I left the tap water running, didn't stop the recycling. What's the point of all this, mate? Really?
That broken lamp used to be here, right?
Right.
Just tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing! And why
It's
did
a
the
little
lamp
fuck
have to
knockback.
be there, of all the blooming pointless inquiries? It's my own place. Don't you think I know what happens in it?
Ich kauf das einfach nicht ab.
Something about it seems fishy.
Boy, dancing broomsticks and talking toasters are one little thing, but a wolf in sheriff's clothing can't fathom a knocked-over desk light?
I don't know. Ja, von Gottfried-Stutz. Ich würde gerne nochmal da auf die Attacke ansprechen, aber ich glaube, das geht nicht. Okay, wir sehen uns nächstes Mal wieder. Gell? Bis dann.